Hello, welcome to the next section, Data Mining and the Database Developer. This section introduces the data developer to mining data, providing an understanding of exactly what data mining is and why it is an integral part of data science. Now we move to the first video, data mining. Here we will look at definition and purpose of data mining. Data mining can be explained simply as assembling information concerning a particular topic or belief in an understandable format. Data mining should also not be confused with analytics, information extraction, or data analysis. Also, it can be manual, a semi-automatic, or automatic process. When working with new data, it will typically be a manual process that the data scientist will perform. Later, when working with newer versions of the same data, it may become automated to some level or degree. Data mining is the probing carried out to find previously unknown information within the data. This new information can be thought of as a kind of data summary and can be used in further analysis or, for example, in machine learning and predictive analytics. Next, we will look at some of the most common and widely accepted and used data mining analysis methods. First one is visualization. Visualization helps the data scientists in understanding the structure of the data. This is also referred to as data profiling. Next one is cluster analysis. It is used to place data variables into defined collections as a way of summarizing the data. Clusters should be both internally homogeneous as well as externally heterogeneous. Now we will look at correlation analysis. Correlation analysis is a method where we measure the relationship between two data variables. This results in something called a correlation coefficient. Discriminant analysis is the next one. Discriminant analysis is used when there is no obvious natural ordering of groups to determine if a data variable is a member. With this method, there are predetermined groups with specific scores or measures that are used in the classification or grouping of the data variables process. Factor analysis is useful for understanding the reasons for the associations. The main goal is to try and reduce the number of variables and to detect structure in the relationships among them. Regression analysis uses the relationship between two or more quantitative variables so that one variable can be predicted from the others. A logistic analysis is a method that is used when the response variable is binary or qualitative and attempts to find a best-fitting equation using a maximum likelihood method to maximize the probability of obtaining the observed results, given the fitted regression coefficients.